Hi everyone, what's going on? In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can download and install the newest version of VMware Workstation that has recently released by VMware company on your system. But before starting this tutorial, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you liked the video, put your thumbs up and write down your comments below or any questions you have. So let's see what's new in this version. As you see, we have a VMware Workstation Pro 16 release note here. We select the part what's new. Well, the VMware Workstation Pro 16 now supports container and Kubernetes, which you can build, push, image run using the VCTL CLI, and also it supports client Kubernetes clustering running on top of Workstation Pro. And VMware has also added new guest OS operating such as Debian 10, Fedora, and CentOS 8, and also ESXi 7. One of the coolest features I should mention is supporting actually dark mode for better user experience. And now it supports vSphere 7, which you're able to connect to vSphere 7 or upload a local VM to vSphere 7. Okay, so let's download this hypervisor. VMware provides you to download link for two different OS, which we need to download for Windows. Okay, I've already downloaded it for Windows, and so let's install this cool version by clicking it. We have VMware Workstation welcome page, and so click next if you agree with it end user license. Then check this field and click next. In this wizard, it asks you if you want to change your default path to install, and also you check the box for enhanced keyboard, which we need, it needs you to reboot your OS. In my case, I just click next. In this section, you can check the part for joining VMware customer experience, and also check for product update. If you want shortcut for VMware Workstation, you can check this box and click next. And finally, press the install button to install this program on your system. We have successfully installed the newest version of VMware Workstation 16 Pro. I hope this is informative for you, and I'd like to thank you. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos and write down your comments below. Thank you.